These are the meanings which were in the introduction of the Lord Denning's book. Jury, voir dire, thalidomide drug, rebuff, layman, cognomen, indictment, and solicitor. These are the meanings from the first lesson in the face of the court. Salisbury means city in England. Brickbat, felony, condemnation, gibbet, malicious, lenient, litigants, ammunition, applaud. These are the meanings of second lesson. The Welsh students invade the court. Welsh means it's the language. Welsh is a Brittonic language of a Celtic language family. It is spoken natively in Wales by some in England and in Wyoldfa. Next is the Wales country in UK. Enthusiastic, lieutenant military rank, imbue, fervor, adjourn, quant, and vindicate. These are the meanings of third. The official solicitor comes in with the devil. Obstinate, purge, sullen, agreed, sue, summons, an order to appear before a judge or a magistrate, or the writ containing such an order. It is called summons. Amicus curiae, as a friend of a court. Next lesson is the laughing gas does not escape. The lesson's meanings are present. First is exceed, exhilarating, ventilating, tedium, subvert, competent, vested. Uncouth, humorless, automation, compactable, purge, cognizance, scrupulous, curtailed, disdain, gross, scandalous.